Hi everybody, Patty here. I wanted to share with you some exciting information. Hope everyone is doing well and they're healthy. Um, we're kicking off a special virtual kit through Tupperware. This is a first time launch. It is a virtual selling kit through Tupperware, and it's being offered for only $15 this week. It ends this Friday, June the 5th. So, what it is basically access to your personal selling website on Tupperware. So tonight we're kicking off a virtual kit information session hosted by my director, Lisa Peters. She's also our manager of our group, Golden Stars. So if this has been something you've been thinking about, joining a little business, being your own boss, making a little bit of side money, or doing Tupperware full time as a Tupperware consultant. This is your opportunity. At $15 is a great deal. Can't really find a direct selling business opportunity for $15. So this is a great way to start your own business and start making money. And also, we are offering a summer 2020 kit, and that includes over $250 of Tupperware products for only $60. And that runs till August the 26th. So that replaced the kits that are on the back of the main brochure, whether it be the catalog or the online digital catalog. So these two opportunities are available. If anybody is interested, we're hosting a Zoom meeting tonight, Tuesday, June 2nd at 6:30. And Lisa will be going over the kits and also allow some opportunity for questions and answers, and show you screenshots, walk you through of the kits, and you'll be able to see firsthand what they're all about. So hope to see you there tonight, and hope everyone has a great, healthy, safe day. So comment below or private message me. And so once I get those who are interested, I will forward you the Zoom link. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.